Say hi, Campana. Tell people you're feeling a little bit better. Oh. Okay guys, let's make some stickers. That's the video for today. I'm going to show you my process to create stickers at home. So, let's go. So I have these sketches. Look at that! They're like little cat pots instead of teapots. So I'm gonna make these ones stickers. So let's make this little one here. Aren't they cute? So what I'm gonna do is just take a picture of these sketches with my iPad so I can put it on my Procreate and start illustrating. Okay guys, I am really happy of how it looks. So now what I'm going to do is just I'm going to share it and I'm going to save it as a TIFF. So there it goes, and I'm going to airdrop it to my computer that is here, so I have to open it. So I'm just going to airdrop it to my computer so I can open it in Photoshop. So I'll show you how this looks in Photoshop in a second. Okay guys, so here I have the artboard, the sticker that I designed, and I opened in Photoshop just a letter side 5, and I'm just gonna drag it. So there it is. And actually I forgot to save it without the background. Ooh, so I'm gonna have to delete the background. Let me see. Yes, so that's okay, I can do that. There it is, no background. There's one small one here. Let's go and delete that. And now I'm gonna drag this to my letter size, and I'm gonna make the amount of stickers that I want to fit. These ones are gonna be 3 inches. So there. And I'm just gonna place them, copy them, and I think that I'm gonna get more stickers if I actually place them like this. And now I'm gonna copy, leaving a space. So there it is. And now I'm just gonna add a stroke border to these stickers, and I am noticing some things that I need to delete. It's fine. So that border is the one that the Cricut machine is gonna cut. So I'm noticing some stuff here that we're gonna delete, like this dot right here shouldn't be there, so we're just gonna delete it. All of them. It's cleaning. Okay. I think we got them all. And now I'm gonna save this. Oh, there's one there. We're gonna save this as a PNG. First, I'm gonna save cat pot. Cat pot want. Need to organize all my designs, and I'm gonna save it as a PNG. So here I'm gonna change it to PNG cat pot. I'm just gonna leave it on the desktop there. And now we're ready to bring these to the Cricut machine. Okay, so now here is my Cricut program open, and I'm gonna bring those little illustrations that I just made. Cat pod, here it is, and we're gonna bring it as complex. Click continue. It's always like super big, it's fine. So here's the design, and here's where the Cricut is gonna cut. So we're gonna click save. I don't know why it's taking so long. I'm gonna select and insert. There it is. And now I have to make it smaller because the Cricut is a little has some sizing that you cannot make bigger than that. And now I'm gonna click make. Now here I can check everything looks cute. I'm gonna click continue, and now I'm gonna send it to print. So I'm gonna go and print that. Okay, I print them. They look okay. Quality of this printer is not really what I'm looking for. Definitely now I can see like some stripes. And if this camera decides to focus one day, but so what I'm saying is I'm not loving the quality of this printer, and I need a new printer, guys. So yep, for now I think I'm just gonna have to rely on Sticker Mule or a Sticker app until I can buy a new printer. But let's continue with the tutorial. So normally I would laminate these stickers so they have an extra protection, but because I'm not loving the quality of this print, I'm not gonna laminate them because I'm not gonna use them. But we're still doing the tutorial. Now I'm gonna place this. I'm gonna align it on my Cricut mat. And place it right there. And I'm going to click on this button. And this is ready. I'm just going to click go. And the Cricut machine is going to do its magic. Oh guys, no, my mat was not sticky enough and it moved. Horrible. Disaster. Well, this is what happens. Showing you what can go wrong, what can go right. So I need to see how can I have no idea how am I gonna take this out of here. Oh, there he comes. There he comes. You can do it. Yes. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna take this out of here. I'm gonna print another one so I can show you how to cut the stickers. The problem is now this Q1 probably decalibrated because I have to calibrate it, and now it's probably not calibrated because of this. So I don't know if I should even print another one. Keeping it real. So I decided to print on regular paper because I don't know if the machine got decalibrated. I think it might, because one time something very similar happened and then I have to recalibrate the Cricut machine, but we're gonna try it, okay? Here we go again. Crossing fingers. Thank God it's not decalibrated. So this is what happens if it was like sticker paper, but it's not. The magic board where everything goes right, and picture that this is a beautiful sticker paper. These stickers will be ready. See? The Cricut cut it, so I would have to pull this, and there it is. Boom! Sticker. So guys, there was an example of how things can go wrong. How things can go. It's easy and it's not easy. Like, it takes some time to figure it out how to make the stickers at home. Tools that you need, a computer or an iPad, a Cricut machine, or a Silhouette, or a Cameo, I think is the other one. I mean, there's several ones that can do that. Then you need the sticker paper. Using this one that I got on Amazon, I really like it. It's waterproof and it works for like inkjet or laser printers, so that's pretty cool. And to give it an extra protection to my stickers, I'm using this laminated paper. This laminated paper that you can buy. I'm pretty sure you can find it online, but I got it from Walmart. And yeah, it takes a little while to figure it out. It took me a while to figure out the print and cut from the Cricut. It took me a while to figure out the paper, so that's what I'm sharing the paper. I don't know why it takes, I don't know. I'm just sharing because it took me so long to figure it out, these things. What else? You need a good printer. Like, I know I want to buy a new printer because the ink of the printer that we currently have is so expensive and the quality is not as good as I want to. And like, I haven't printed that many stickers, and like, as you guys saw, it's not printed well anymore. So it is an expense that I don't want to do right now, but if I'm gonna continue creating stickers, I'm gonna have to do it. So I think I'm just gonna pull the plug and get a new printer really soon. Otherwise, I think in the meantime I might gonna rely from Sticker App or Sticker Mule. They have really good quality stickers. But you know, I have an Etsy shop and I want to do it. But you know, I want to make the things at home, the things that I can. At least, like, there's other things that I cannot really do at home, like the mugs and those things, but I really want to like just create my own stickers from home. So I'm just gonna, you know, do the budgeting, how much is gonna be printing stickers from Sticker Mule, and well, you know, that math. Thank you for watching. If you watch all the way here, thank you for your likes and your comments. Everything helps to small businesses and, you know, artists. They're trying to have a small business. So thank you for your likes, your share, your subscriptions. Everything is like really appreciated. So hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please let me know, and see you in the next video.